How to add payment methods on eBay. So first of all you have to do is open any preferred web browser, then tap on the search address bar and navigate to the official eBay website. And just make sure that you are logged in or signed into your eBay account or simply create a new one. After that, there you can see Hi Your Name at the top left, then tap on the account settings from the drop down menu. Once inside account settings, you can see payments option available there. Tap on the payments. Once you tap on the payments, scroll and there you can see add option available there. Tap on the add payment method, and once you tap on it, choose your method and tap on the continue button available there. Now choose PayPal, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay according to your preferences, and enter your details and click on the save button available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.